Hi viewers, this is a video on cryptocurrency and introduction. In recent years, cryptocurrency is ruling the world. Cryptocurrencies are secure and trustful one to deal. The cryptocurrencies are digital, so they cannot be counterfeited. Cryptocurrency exchanges play a very important role in the development of the blockchain industry. These are the topics which are covered in this video. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies worldwide. Cryptocurrency exchange. Under this topic, there are two subtopics, that is centralized cryptocurrency exchange, decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. Finally, conclusion. Furthermore, references are given in this video. Okay. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency secured by cryptography. Crypto refers to the various encryption algorithms and cryptographic techniques. Cryptocurrency received its name because it uses encryption to verify transactions. Cryptocurrencies are digital assets that users can buy, trade, and use to purchase goods. It is noted that cryptocurrencies are mostly not possible either to counterfeit or to double spend. Okay? The most popular cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Other popular cryptocurrencies are Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, Cardano. Actually, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies available in circulation. Figure 1 shows the number of cryptocurrencies worldwide from 2013 to January 2022. As of January 2022, there are more than 9,000 cryptocurrencies available. Number of cryptocurrencies is more than all the different types of fiat currencies in the world. Okay? A cryptocurrency exchange is a platform that facilitates the transactions of cryptocurrency. In the cryptocurrency exchange, customers can buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchange allows customers to trade cryptocurrencies for fiat money or fiat-backed cryptocurrencies. Okay? There are mainly two types of cryptocurrency exchanges. Number one, centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Number two, decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Okay. A centralized cryptocurrency exchange is an online platform where a customer can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. As suggested by the term centralized cryptocurrency exchange, it acts as a third party between a buyer and seller. Actually, operation of a centralized cryptocurrency exchange are similar to the today's banks. Okay. In the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, the user has to trust the third party to monitor and secure the transactions on his or her behalf. These deals are not tracked on the blockchain. Some examples of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges include Coinbase, GDAX, Kraken, Gemini. What are the pros and cons of the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges? First, what are the pros of the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges? User friendly. Centralized cryptocurrency exchanges provide friendly user interface and easy to use platforms. Reliable. Centralized cryptocurrency exchanges provide an extra layer of security and reliability for transaction and trading. What are the cons of the centralized cryptocurrency exchanges? Hacking risk. So, centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are highly vulnerable to hacking risk. Transaction fees. So, in centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, there are transaction fees for the services they provide. Okay. Although centralized exchanges are in existence, the concept of decentralized exchanges is in circulation everywhere. The name Decentralized Cryptocurrency Exchange is self-explanatory. It operates in a decentralized manner. A decentralized cryptocurrency exchange allows peer-to-peer transaction to occur between users without a third party. Moreover, decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges are based on blockchain technology. Okay. Actually, a decentralized exchange has no central point of control. That is the uniqueness of the decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Okay. Some of the popular examples of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges are Uniswap V2, Tokenlon, 0x Protocol, Venus. There are pros and cons of the decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. First, we will see the pros of decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges. Number one, anonymity, no KYC or ID verification. Decentralized exchanges are anonymous and offer complete privacy. Okay. Number two, mitigating hacking risk, no security issue. That means users of decentralized exchanges do not need to transfer their assets to a third party that may get hacked. Number three, preventing market manipulation. In decentralized exchanges, transaction is peer-to-peer. So, users are protected from market manipulation. Number four, zero transaction fee. There are no transaction fees for services the decentralized exchanges provide. Now, what are the cons of the decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges? Okay, number one, lack of fiat payments. Decentralized exchanges do not allow the trading of fiat currencies for digital currencies. Users who do not already have cryptocurrencies will find it inconvenient to do transaction in the decentralized exchanges. Number two, complexity and no recovery ability. Decentralized exchanges require the users to get familiar with a relatively more complex process. They do not provide methods to recover passwords. Decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges fundamentally have no recovery ability for lost or stolen or misplaced funds due to a lack of a KYC process or ability to cancel a transaction in the event of a compromised account or loss of private key. Users are not able to recover data or be returned their assets. So that is considered as a disadvantage. Number three, low liquidity. Decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges are new. Very few people transact using decentralized exchanges. So, decentralized exchanges are lower liquidity. The last one, limited speed. Transactions take time to be checked and validated on a blockchain network, and the processing speed depends on the network's miners, not the exchange. Okay. Based on the pros and cons of the two types of cryptocurrency exchanges, the crypto user can choose his or her preferred cryptocurrency. More users prefer centralized cryptocurrency exchanges due to reliability, speed, and user-friendly features. Also, a few users go for decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges due to their security, zero transaction fees, and other favorable features. Before doing investment, it is necessary to understand the types of cryptocurrency exchanges. Whatever mentioned here in this video is purely informational only. Okay. These are the references from where I have taken the relevant content of this video.